Imagine turning your skills into a thriving freelance career, working from anywhere, and landing clients who value your expertise. In 2025, freelancing is bigger than ever, and two platforms dominate the scene: Upwork and Fiverr. But which one is right for you? In this 10 to 15-minute showdown, we're pitting Upwork versus Fiverr, comparing their structures, earning potential, challenges, and strategies to help you choose the best platform for your freelance journey. Whether you're a coder, designer, or writer, let's find your path to success. Let's dive in. Defining Upwork and Fiverr. Let's start with the basics. Upwork is a freelancing platform that connects professionals with clients for projects ranging from short-term tasks to long-term contracts. Freelancers create profiles, bid on projects, or set hourly rates for services like web development, copywriting, or consulting. Clients post detailed job descriptions, and freelancers propose tailored solutions, often competing for high-value contracts. Fiverr, on the other hand, is a gig-based marketplace where freelancers list predefined services, called gigs, at fixed prices, originally starting at $5 but now often $10 to $500 or more. Think logo design, voiceovers, or social media posts. Clients browse gigs, purchase what fits their needs, and freelancers deliver quickly, often within days. In short, Upwork is about bidding for custom projects, while Fiverr is about selling ready-made services in a streamlined marketplace. The 2025 freelance landscape. It's 2025, and freelancing is a global powerhouse. Upwork facilitated $3.8 billion in freelancer earnings last year, connecting millions of professionals with businesses seeking specialized skills. Fiverr's marketplace handled $1.2 billion in transactions, driven by its fast, accessible gig model. Both platforms thrive in a world where remote work, AI tools, and digital nomadism are reshaping how we earn a living. Upwork caters to those chasing bigger projects, while Fiverr excels for quick, budget-friendly tasks. The question is, which aligns with your goals? How they work. Let's break down how each platform operates. Upwork. Freelancers create detailed profiles showcasing their skills, experience, and portfolios. Clients post jobs like build a custom website or write a 50-page ebook. You submit proposals, often competing with dozens of others, and negotiate terms. You can charge hourly, $50 per hour, or fixed prices, $5,000 for a project. Work is tracked via Upwork's app for hourly jobs, and payments are released after client approval. Fiverr. You create gigs with clear deliverables like design a professional logo for $50 or edit a 5-minute video for $100. Clients browse your gigs, place orders, and you deliver within the set time frame. Fiverr handles payments up front, and you can offer tiered packages, basic, standard, premium, to upsell services. It's fast-paced, with less negotiation but also less flexibility in pricing. Let's compare Upwork and Fiverr across key aspects that matter to freelancers and clients alike. First, work type. On Upwork, freelancers typically work on custom projects, which can be either hourly or fixed price. In contrast, Fiverr focuses on predefined gigs, which are fixed-price tasks set by the freelancer. Second, pricing control. Upwork gives you high pricing control. You set your own rates and bid on projects accordingly. On Fiverr, pricing is more limited. You're tied to the gig structure and need to package your services within set tiers. Third, project scope. Upwork is ideal for long-term, complex projects that may involve multiple stages and deeper collaboration. Fiverr, on the other hand, is built for short-term, quick tasks. Think logos, voiceovers, or small writing jobs. And last one, client interaction. Client interaction on Upwork is high. You'll submit proposals, go through interviews, and often negotiate terms. Fiverr keeps things simple. Interaction is low, as clients place orders directly, and communication primarily occurs through messaging. Earning potential. How much can you make? Upwork. Earnings vary by skill and experience. Top freelancers in fields like software development or UX design charge $50 to $200 per hour, earning $50,000 to $150,000 annually for full-time work. Large projects like building an app can net $5,000 to $20,000 each. Beginners might start at $15 to $30 per hour, building up as they gain reviews. Upwork's fees are 10% per project, dropping to 5% for long-term clients. Fiverr. Gigs start low, often $5 to $50, but experienced sellers offering premium services can charge $500 to $2,000 per gig. Top Fiverr sellers earn $10,000 to $50,000 monthly by stacking multiple gigs or upselling. Beginners can make $500 to $2,000 monthly with consistent delivery. Fiverr takes a 20% commission on every gig, which cuts into profits. Key insight: Upwork offers higher payouts for complex projects, while Fiverr enables quicker earnings but with lower margins due to fees and competition. Accessibility and requirements. How easy is it to start? Upwork. Getting started is free, but building a standout profile takes time. You need a strong portfolio, relevant skills, and a compelling pitch to win bids. Competition is fierce, with top jobs attracting 20 to 50 proposals. Upwork's Connects system, costing 15 cents each, limits free applications, so beginners may need to invest to bid on jobs. Approval for new accounts can take days, and you'll need to prove your expertise to land high-paying work. Fiverr. It's easier to start. You can create a gig, set your price, and go live almost instantly. No bidding is required, and clients come to you. However, standing out in a crowded marketplace takes effort, with thousands of gigs in popular categories like graphic design. A polished gig description and portfolio are crucial, but beginners can start with low-priced offerings to build reviews. Key insight: Fiverr is more beginner-friendly with faster sales, while Upwork requires persistence and expertise to secure high-value contracts. Challenges and risks. Both platforms have hurdles. Upwork challenges: high competition. Top projects attract dozens of proposals, making it tough for new freelancers to stand out. Fee structure: 10% fees plus connects costs reduce earnings, especially for smaller projects. Time investment. Writing proposals and negotiating terms can be time-consuming without guaranteed wins. Client dependency. Late payments or demanding clients can disrupt cash flow. Fiverr challenges: high fees. 20% commission per gig cuts deeply into profits, especially for low-priced services. Price pressure. Clients often expect cheap services, making it hard to raise rates early on. Gig saturation. Popular categories are oversaturated, requiring unique offerings to stand out. Fast turnarounds. Short delivery times can lead to burnout for high-volume sellers. Emerging trends in 2025. What's shaping these platforms in 2025? Upwork is leaning into AI-driven matchmaking, connecting freelancers with clients faster and offering tools to automate proposals. Demand for specialized skills like AI development and cybersecurity is soaring. Fiverr is expanding its Fiverr Pro tier for high-end freelancers and introducing AI-powered gig creation tools to streamline setup. Both platforms are seeing growth in remote work and global clients, with businesses prioritizing flexibility and niche expertise. The gig economy is also shifting toward hybrid models, where freelancers combine quick gigs with long-term contracts. Success stories. Let's look at real-world wins. On Upwork, a freelance web developer lands a $10,000 contract to build a custom e-commerce site, leading to a year-long partnership earning $100,000. Another freelancer, a copywriter, secures consistent $50 an hour projects, building a six-figure income. On Fiverr, a graphic designer starts with $20 logo gigs, scales to $500 branding packages, and earns $5,000 monthly within a year. A voiceover artist stacks dozens of $50 gigs, hitting $3,000 monthly with minimal marketing. These stories show both platforms can lead to big wins with the right strategy. Strategies for success. How do you thrive on each? Upwork strategies. Build a stellar profile. Showcase a strong portfolio, client testimonials, and specific skills to stand out. Target niche jobs. Focus on high-demand skills like AI programming or data analysis to reduce competition. Write tailored proposals. Customize each bid to address the client's needs and highlight your expertise. Leverage long-term contracts. Secure ongoing work to lower fees and stabilize income. Fiverr strategies. Optimize gigs. Use clear titles, compelling descriptions, and professional images to attract buyers. Offer tiered packages. Provide basic, standard, and premium options to upsell clients. Deliver fast. Quick turnarounds boost ratings and repeat business. Scale with reviews. Start with low prices to gain reviews, then raise rates as your reputation grows. So, which platform is right for you? Upwork is ideal if you have specialized skills, prefer long-term projects, and don't mind investing time in proposals. It's perfect for professionals like developers or consultants aiming for high-value contracts. Fiverr suits beginners or those offering quick, repeatable services like graphic design or content writing, where fast sales and minimal negotiation are key. You don't have to choose one. Many freelancers use Fiverr for quick gigs to build cash flow and Upwork for bigger projects to scale their income. The key is aligning your choice with your skills, time availability, and financial goals. Upwork and Fiverr both offer incredible opportunities to build a freelance career in 2025. Upwork empowers you to land high-value, long-term projects with clients who value expertise, but it demands persistence and competition. Fiverr lets you sell quick, accessible gigs to a global market, offering fast cash flow but with lower margins. Whether you're chasing big contracts or stacking small wins, the key is to start smart. Create a profile, test a few gigs or proposals, and refine your approach based on client feedback. Thanks for watching, and let's make 2025 your year to freelance smarter.